In the infinite silence of space, most visitors are predictable. Asteroids, comets, frozen wanderers obeying gravity's laws. But sometimes, something arrives that rewrites everything we thought we knew. Astronomers recently tracked such an object. They named it 3I/Atlas. But in hushed tones, many began calling it something else, an intruder. Unlike the natural drifters we've cataloged for centuries, this one moved with impossible precision, not random, not chaotic. Its path was almost deliberate, and the deeper astronomers looked, the stranger it became. 3I/Atlas entered our solar system with terrifying speed, faster than nearly anything we've ever recorded. Too fast to be a comet gently falling in, too smooth to be a fragment cast adrift. Its trajectory suggested not only interstellar origin, but a mystery hidden within its velocity itself. At first, astronomers assumed it was another frozen body like Oumuamua or Borisov. Strange, but natural. Yet the data betrayed those assumptions. This object didn't simply fall into our sun's grasp. It seemed to slice through the solar system like a blade, barely perturbed by gravity's pull. It was as if 3I/Atlas was designed to pass through. As data poured in, the anomalies multiplied. Its brightness didn't match its size. Its acceleration didn't match its mass. And strangest of all, the light it reflected flickered in irregular patterns, as if its surface was more than just rock and ice. What kind of natural object behaves this way? Some scientists proposed fragments of a shattered exoplanet. Others wondered if it could be a new kind of interstellar comet. But deep down, an unsettling possibility grew louder. What if it was artificial? 3I/Atlas approached perihelion, the point of closest approach to the sun. At such distances, comets erupt with tails of gas and dust. But this intruder? It revealed almost nothing. No tail, no outgassing, no signs of ice boiling away. Instead, its path sharpened, as though it adjusted course. If true, this would mean something extraordinary, that the object wasn't at the mercy of physics alone. It was steering itself. And then came the most disturbing revelation. Our telescopes lost sight of 3I/Atlas at the moment we most needed to see it. The object slipped into what astronomers call a blind spot, a region of sky drowned by the sun's brilliance. For critical days, it was invisible. When it finally emerged, its path seemed altered in subtle but alarming ways. No one could fully explain what it had done during its disappearance. But theories spread quickly. Had it simply coasted, or had something changed it? If 3I/Atlas was merely a rock, its behavior should have been simple, predictable. But its silence, its smooth path, its strange reflections, none of it fit the equations. More daring scientists whispered about possibilities too radical to publish, that it might be a probe, that it might be watching us as much as we were watching it. Some even invoked the unsettling logic of the dark forest theory, that advanced civilizations remain silent not out of absence, but fear. And if they send probes, they do not announce themselves. They arrive quietly, they observe, and perhaps they judge. Today, 3I/Atlas is gone, drifting back into the interstellar dark. a machine, a silent observer crossing through our star system with purpose. In the end, perhaps the greatest fear isn't what it was, but what else might be coming. If the universe truly is a dark forest, then 3I/Atlas may have been just the first rustle of branches in the night.